What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2012 Chevy Sonic. Think you got something in your eye, sir? Manifold converter there, secondary converter there. Then there was a resonator there. We cut it off and put a vibrant resonator in its place to give it some sound. Then 2-inch pipe, or 1 3/4 pipe. And then there was a huge muffler that we cut off and ran a pipe in its place, as you can see right there. There's the resonator, and there's the muffler. We cut them both off and took them out. Made it cleaned it up for them, made them really nice and clean. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and you know what to do. Subscribe. Oh, that sounds good. Hear your sound this? 101. Again? Wow. And it is stick shift, guys, so it's a little bit louder. No rev limiter. Go ahead and back it up. Chevy Sonic. I like the vibrant resonators now. They always sound so good on these. On anything like 4-cylinder. We put the 9-inch. You could put also the 14-inch. It'll be a little bit quiet. That's always something to consider. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Sonic stick shift with vibrant muffler and resonator delete there. And we put a vibrant in its place in the middle. A shorty vibrant, not a long one. There she goes. Sounds really nice. Takes the rasp out, the vibrant.